Good morning, Seahome High School.
This is Thomas
and Couto bringing you your
morning announcements.
Nice.
Alrighty. How you doing today, Mr. Couto?
Hey, I'm great. It's a new morning, new opportunity. We're kind of living in spring break. I think having a nice stream of steady sunshine where it isn't snowing outside, which was last week.
Yeah, it was like snowing last week or something like that. I saw some hail or something out there. That was kind of crazy.
Yeah, so it's I think it's good. How about you?
I've been doing great. I've been enjoying the sunshine, getting outside a little bit, and keeping everyone around me safe. So yeah, that's about it.
Good work. Well, I actually got an email from our yearbook staff. So Yoshimi as well as Mrs. Tucker reached out just to let us know that the team is still working on the yearbook for this year. So be looking forward to getting that as a kind of tribute of this year. So if you haven't purchased one yet, you still probably could.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Should we get into some birthdays, Mr. Couto?
Love it. We actually have birthdays today. We didn't.
Yeah, we do. We have 2 birthdays today.
Excellent. Looks like we've got Shane Compnair. Happy birthday.
And Anita Schuler. Happy birthday.
Nice. Go live it up, folks. I mean, it is. You might as well.
It is gorgeous outside.
Right. Well, Thomas, have you taken up, I've seen in the news, I've seen people post on Facebook and Instagram and on Twitter, different hobbies that maybe people have taken on. I heard of someone that's taken on learning how to play the cello. Have you taken on any new hobbies yourself?
Yeah, so I would say that it's not a new hobby, but I'm refining a hobby that I've already worked on. But that it's putting in golf.
Okay.
Since I don't have a putting green, we do have carpet upstairs, so I've been working on my putting stroke, and I have to say I'm getting a lot better and making a lot more shots. So hopefully I can take those newfound skills out to the golf course and I won't miss.
Nice. I wanted to share with you and with our viewers one of our staff members, Mr. Bechkoviak, who's taken on learning how to bake bread. And he's taken on specifically how to make sourdough bread from scratch with a brand new sourdough start. So I hope you enjoy this segment.
The way that I am going to attempt this is with equal parts of flour and apple juice. So just going to mix that together until it is well incorporated. We will let it sit on the counter overnight for about 24 hours. I did see some activity start to take place. What we do at this point is add equal parts by weight of water and flour. And it has pretty much doubled in size. I am going to go ahead and feed this. Woohoo! Look at this. So sourdough day 6. Kind of seal that off. And then turn that over. I'm going to dust the top at 500 degrees. Going to remove this cover. That is looking pretty done to me.
Wow,
that was really impressive, huh, Mr. Couto?
Yeah, I mean, to go from kind of nothing to having a loaf of bread in the amount of time he did, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Awesome.
Hopefully you are all trying to find something new and interesting to kind of learn along with kind of engaging in your classes.
Alrighty, Seahome. Thank you very much. I think that's just about it.
This has been Couto.
And Thomas. Have a good one, Seahome.
It goes, and we'll watch it. Great. Cut that out, because